did you know they brought a puppy and there's dog food? Hey, they brought a book. That thing and the dog. It's a little puppy. Guys, there's something in the puppy. This one's the girl. Yeah. Thank you, Red now. And Violet, I think. Scarlet.
What's her name? Aww, that's so cute. What do you guys think?
Listen here. Tomorrow when they do something else, we can get it.
Yeah.
Can we read the book today? Hey, that might be a family story.
Oh, he has his arms around her, around the doggy.
Elf pets.
That's so cute.
Yeah. There's a dog and that's a dog. It's kind of the same.
Mm-hmm. Maybe the book is about that doggy.
Bye. Look, that book's about that doggy. Bye. Wait. Bye.
Oh, I think that's a comb. That's a comb.
Cute.
That's a little doggy comb.
Mom, what's this? That's dog food. You've been taking forever to here.
By Santa. It says that. It says by Santa.
Aww.
Where? I don't see by Santa. No. It has to start with B. Oh, by Santa. Bell.
Wait, do you think that's their real names?
A Saint Bernard tradition.
Can you go get Lincoln?
No.
What if he touched them?
We'll make sure he does it.
I want to read the book.
What happens if we click it? I wish you could do something with my Paw Patrols.
Boston, are you excited?
I don't want him to do it with that. I don't like Paw Patrol.
We've waited for so long. What the heck? Where were you guys?
It was, today's the 13th and we only got 10 in 3 days.
What if we give him a little bit of our banana bread?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that'd be
I'm
good.
gonna draw a
Well,
picture
you guys
about
look.
that whole.
See the dog bowl? Maybe we could leave some banana bread for the dog.
Mom, I need to see some. I'm gonna draw a picture about that. But what about
Okay.
with their dog?
Okay.
Mommy, look.
Oh.
Mommy,
Oh,
Daddy, Mommy,
cute.
I want Daddy. Daddy, bring the pear here. Bring the pear.
They brought a dog? There's a dog for Elf?
And there's a book about it. And it has the same pictures. Look.
Well, I'll be.
This is a little comb.
Well, I'll be a Saint Bernard.
Daddy,
Can this be my pet?
Watch
I
your
want a
tongue.
dog.
Well, let's see. Let's see him. Oh, hey, guys. What's his name?
I don't know. Red. Oh,
Red and Scarlet.
Well, yeah, but...
With the dog.
Oh, don't touch the dog. Can we touch the dog?
Yeah, we can touch the dog, but not the elf.
Not red? Okay.
Wait.
I want to read
Hey,
the book.
maybe we in the
We might
side.
have time to read it. We want to read it this morning?
Yeah, because it's not even time for stuff. But Dad, I promise I won't touch them with the book. It's 7:04.
Do you want to read the book real fast?
Sure, but I was gonna. And then we all have to get dressed.
Okay, we can do that. We got time.
Lift it up. Oh, look, there's cute puppies in the back. Puppies.
Millions of snowflakes fluttered in
I
place.
think they did the pictures.
Probably. Each crafted by water and lighter than lace.
Are those doves?
Look. Well, there's a wolf and a rabbit,
Look.
a dove.
So many
Polar bear.
elves.
Beyond the gray veil
Reindeer.
of the thick winter snow, the Christmas star shines with a warm, gentle glow. And as is the custom, where clouds finally clear, Santa's village grows silent and all gather near. According to legend, when the star first appears, the elves stop and measure the world's Christmas cheer. These pups have assembled to rescue the soul of the holiday season and save the North Pole.
What's in our list? We gotta go give it to him. No, we gotta go show it to him. I need to write a few things on it. Okay, go ahead and show that. Oh, maybe I'll make on my hair. Red. my whisper sis. Okay. This is a rocket. It's a laser thing from cats. That's a bow. That's the thing that goes on the back, and it makes the boat go that way.
Again, they brought a puppy, but you
Do
can't
not
touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch the elf. No.
Don't touch them.
Lincoln, don't touch the elves. Don't touch the elves.
I'm not.
But don't grab the doggy.
What?
What if it barks?
It better not wake me up at night.
Wake me up. Oh, you know it. Hey, we call it in the Hoellein.
That's his middle name. Like
His name is this. Sparkle, Joy, Hoellein. Sparkle is his middle name. His middle name is Joy. And his last name is Hoellein.
And when we reference him, we can call him
Sparkle, Sparkle, Joy, Joy, Sparkle, Sparkle, Joy, Joy.
Can you help me write words for kitty cat, laser, and rocket, and a bow, and a net, and fish?
Yes, I will help both of you.
Mom, this is the elf.
Okay, why don't we hop down and go get some breakfast?
I want
Banana bread? Okay.
with a cookie.
No.
Lincoln, do you want my banana?
No.
When did you get big enough to climb down from the cabinet by yourself?
That looks painful. Because my nose bitter.
My egg that I don't eat.
But I eat yellow stuff when I eat white egg.
Is my orange juice yummy?
But we sure need to close it because he doesn't need to drink it all. No,
Oh, be nice. He can have a drink too.
but he can't drink it all.
He won't. Here, you can have a bite of my toast.
No.
Oh my gosh, you have been eating my toast every day. Here, you said you wanted a bite. Yes. Oh my gosh. That was the smallest nibble I've ever seen in my life. Now today, we are not gonna whine.
Okay, I will never whine.
And if I call your name, you say, yes, Mom.
Okay, I will.
Can I play Cody's Mario?
Will. When I call your name when you're downstairs, you say, yes, Lincoln.
You think that I should say yes, Lincoln, to you?
Mm,
Don't drink all my orange juice.
I won't.
Yes, you are.
No.
How come I still think you're a baby, but you're speaking in full sentences and you speak better than I do?
You don't. Do not understand what I'm saying.
Okay, maybe you're not as smart as I thought.
I'm smart.
Ooh.
To hire orange juice when Olivia and Cody get to drink it.
No, that's mine.
No, I had some. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I have to have my breakfast, so I have energy to take care of you. That's so rude. Come here.
I have to hire Olivia and get in here and get it.
You got a lot of weight on those shoulders. Look at me, please. Why do you have flour all over your face?
Because it's snowing.
No, not because it's snowing. I keep telling him to stay out of the cookies, and he won't. It actually has been snowing today.
Yeah, it's snowing right here.
It is? No, it's not snowing in here. And oh, that's what he means. Oh my gosh. He's pushing flour off the counter. I just got done with my first batch of cookies. That's halfway a lie. It's halfway a lie because this is my first batch, and I think I didn't double the flour, but I doubled everything else. So I need to work on that batch, but I just baked up a second batch, and this one's perfect. You what?
It's sure tasty.
Oh, it's sure tasty.
Yeah.
We have Aunt Ellie here visiting.
It's my turn. One
Okay.
day it's your turn, the next it's my turn to be in a bad mood.
I know, Ellie's, don't be in a bad mood. Okay, well, we're going over samples and like ideas, what we're doing for Bali brand. And stand up, let's just like take a look at this outfit.
I know it's darling.
It is darling.
It's like my lounge outfit.
Yeah, but you look so pretty in it. Yeah.
I'm mad because this is so thin.
So thin.
And I paid all the money for it. And my pants makes me mad. These were $65 at Free People. And on the website it looked like nice and thick and so cute. And I got them. I've worn them 3 times and there's a hole in it.
Yeah, and
they're see-through.
Yeah, they're kind of see-through and they're kind of like already, it's like not frayed, but like, oh, sorry.
It's just making me mad.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting here thinking, this is why we created a clothing line, is we're creating pieces that we want and that we like, but better quality. Like our spring line, so fun. The shirt that's coming that's like button up, it's what we love, but it's thicker fabric and it's not gonna have a hole in it when I put it in the washer.
We really do like taking articles that we really like in our closet, but that we want the material to be a lot better. So this outfit that Ellie's wearing, we want to create something super similar. Like the jacket's too long.
Yeah, but it's cute. Like,
but it's really cute. Yeah, so I want to know if you guys were going to have like a house lounge outfit like this, what would you want to see in it? Clearly the material is going to be the deal breaker for us. Like we're in the process of looking for the material that we want, and that's with all of our clothes. The material is super, super nice, and all of the reviews on our Instagram, people will tell you that the material is really nice.
Bonnie is cleaning up the dishes from the second batch of cookies that she made. First batch there ready to be made tomorrow. Second batch here for all of the children to happily play with and make their own shapes. What are you making, buddy?
I'm making a wood cat.
Okay, that's a good one.
I made a heart supply.
Heart. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, subscribe. And if you haven't checked out our elf videos, go look at our elf videos. They're hilarious. Look at how different the kids look. That's my favorite part, is seeing how different everybody looks in all the elf videos. Bye, guys.